guys, it is I, your very own Amaru, and I'd like to welcome you to the final episode of Food and the Single Guy of Season 14. Yes, it is time for my summer break, and yes, I'm gonna love you and leave you for about a couple of months, but I am not gonna love you and leave you without a perfect little summer recipe. You know, on those days when it's so hot, you can't even stand it. You don't want to spend enormous amount of time in the kitchen, cooking over, slaving over a hot stove. This recipe, this dish is perfect for those days. And what I'm gonna cook for you today is an Italian-inspired dish. It is Fileja al Nero con spinaci e salmone. What the heck did he just say? It is squid ink pasta, black squid ink pasta with spinach and warm smoked salmon. Now, I have never had this in Italy before. I don't remember seeing this on the menu of any restaurant while I was there visiting. So if it is an authentic Italian recipe, I hope that I've done your recipe justice. And if it isn't, honey, this is a dish that I've been making for myself for decades now, and it is super duper delicious. All right. Now, as far as the black pasta, the squid ink pasta, a lot of people don't like it, or a lot of people don't even purchase it. But whenever I see the black pasta at the stores, honey, baby, let me tell you, I yank it out of the shelves and I take it home with me because it's very scarce and I love it. And especially, you know, as far as presentation is concerned, it is different and it makes for beautiful presentation with spinach and red bell peppers and yellow cherry tomatoes and orange looking smoked salmon. It's just beautiful and I love it. The Fileja pasta, as I was told, is innate to the Calabria region in Italy, and that is where they make the Fileja pasta. Okay? Now, as far as the taste of black pasta is concerned, worry not, because it has 99.99999% the same taste as regular pasta. Okay? All right, you guys. Now, enough cheddar chatter. I'm going to post all the ingredients for you in the information box below the episode. So without further ado, let us continue. Okay, you guys. And now for some of the ingredients for this delicious little pasta dish. Over here, we have the extra virgin olive oil. Over here, we have the black Fileja pasta. We have the purple onion over here, white wine, the baby spinach, and over yonder, we have the warm smoked salmon fillets. And let me show you what they look like. So this is what we're working with. Don't they look gorgeous? Oh, but they do. And I always buy my warm smoked salmon fillets at this supermarket, by the way, because they do such a wonderful job. It is so delicious. Whenever I try to smoke my own salmon fillets, they never turn out this way, and they have a very different flavor compared to these. Now, mind you, the warm smoked salmon fillets are perfect for cold dishes as well as warm dishes. All right, so let us continue. Now, you guys, as far as the pasta is concerned, Fileja pasta is native to the Calabria region in Italy. And as you may well know, Italians have a variety of pasta, okay? And I love me some pasta. And this is what it looks like. It's like little sticks, if you will. And these are colored with squid ink. And they have a slightly different taste than your regular semolina pasta. All right? All right. And the way you prepare it doesn't differ from, you know, other pasta types. All right? So we are ready to continue, baby. Yes. Now, you guys, the cooking procedure of this pasta does not differ from the cooking procedure of any other pasta. Okay? I just tasted mine. It is nice and al dente. I am now going to drain my pasta under a cold running tap. And then we are ready to proceed. And as you may well know, the reason we do this is to stop the pasta from cooking. Okay? Otherwise, your pasta is going to be soggy. And that's not a good look. Now, don't get scared. I know they look like little thingies, but this is delicious. There we go. So now we are going to allow the pasta to drain completely. Okay, you guys, so while the pasta was cooking, I went ahead and I finally chopped my onion in my little food processor. I also minced my garlic. And next, what I'm going to do, I am going to flake the salmon fillets with 2 forks, just like so. And away we go. simply going to break it apart, just like so. There we go. And it comes off of the skin. See? Just like so. This is beautiful. Alright? And you simply want to end up with nice little chunks. Definitely not too small. Alright? There we go. And we're not getting rid of the skin. Oh no. We are not. And there we have it. Beautiful chunks of warm smoked salmon. Oh my gosh, when I tell you it smells incredible. I can just eat this right now and be done with it. But I'm not gonna, because we have a dish to prepare. So let us continue, my beautiful people. Okay, you guys, so what I have here is my large pot, because I'm cooking a lot of food today. And if there's one thing I don't like, it's when people cook food, enormous amounts of food, and they use itty bitty pots and pans. I cannot stand it, not today. So what we're gonna do next, remember what I told when I told you that we're gonna keep the skin of the salmon. We are first going to crisp the skin a little bit, just like so. So once the skin is nice and crispy, you're going to take it out of the pan and set it to one side. So to the pan, I'm going to add my oil. I'm going to add my chopped onions. A generous amount. I'm also going to add my minced garlic. And of course, I'm going to give it a good stir. And you're simply going to cook this until the onion and the garlic take on some color. So after about a minute or two, you're going to add the wine. You're going to deglaze the pan with the wine, just like so. And you're going to allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes on low heat. You may now season with some pepper and some salt. And give it another good stir. So next we're going to add the pasta. There we go. Now trust me when I tell you this is going to come together quite nicely. Alright? Next what we're going to add, the spinach. And you got it. You're also going to give this a good stir. And you simply want to allow the spinach to wilt a little bit. Okay? Just like so. This will do just fine. Make sure to taste your food. If it needs more salt or pepper, go ahead and add that now. So this is looking gorgeous. Next what we're going to add is the salmon. Ever so gently. And next what we're going to do, we're simply going to stir the salmon into the pasta very gently because we don't want to break the flakes too much. Okay? Here we go. And there you have it. We are about ready for the final presentation. But before we do that, we're going to add some mixed herbs to the pasta. Just like so. And of course, you're going to gently stir the herbs into the pasta. You are now going to turn off the heat. You're going to cover the pan for about 10 minutes. And then you are ready to chow down. Ooh, baby. And speaking of the final presentation, doesn't that look gorgeous, you guys? And I can tell you it was gorgeous too. And as you can see, I am serving mine with some grilled vegetables, some grilled carrots, some grilled zucchini, some grilled yellow bell pepper, some grilled red bell pepper. Baby, let me tell you, it was such a feast. Now, if you decide to try to make this dish yourself, let me know how it turned out, because I'm always interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, allow me to wish you a happy summer. Be well, stay safe, happy cooking, happy eating. Don't add crazy to the craziness. Thank you so much for watching any of my videos on this channel, on Amaru Music, on Amaru Online, wherever you watch my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for supporting my music. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. And I will see you when I see you. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.